Hi friends, good morning. Myself Regisseur from Samved School. In last lecture, we have discussed some laws, and last law we have discussed multiple proportionals. It is discussed already, so no need to revise it because you have already video lecture and you can revise this lecture yourself. Today we are going to discuss Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. Name of scientist is Gay-Lussac and law is gaseous volume. Very easy, very simple. This law was given by Gay-Lussac in the year 1808. Law is important. What is the law? Law is simple. When two or more gases chemically combine together or produce gases chemically combine together or produce, it must be in same temperature and pressure. So temperature and pressure must be same. Two or more gases chemically combine together or produce gas. What will happen? Important is what? Important is that they do so in simple ratio by volume. They do so in simple ratio by volume means gaseous volume can be expressed in simple ratio. It will be easy to understand by proper example. You will confused by watching example, but when you understand the example, it is very simple. 100 ml hydrogen combined with 50 ml oxygen to give 100 ml of water. Generally you add 100 ml plus 50 ml, there must be 150 ml product. Here you are getting 100 ml water. So it is confusion for you. How this can be happen? When you are having 100 ml hydrogen gas, 50 ml oxygen gas, when you combine with each other and volume of produced gas is 100 ml, how it is possible? But when you see the proper example, you will understand that this is perfect example. You must see the figure that explain that how it is possible. In this board, figure is not given, but I am drawing the figure and explaining that why this is happen. Why this is happen. So I am drawing the figure, then we will discuss how it is possible. Let's draw the figure and we will understand that is it possible? Yes, is it possible? Suppose I am drawing figure. Kindly try to draw yourself in your notebook. This is explaining one molecule, two molecule, 3 molecule, 4 molecule and 5 molecule. These are the 5 molecules that I have drawn. You can see that there are 10 circles, but attached with each other 2 circles, 2 dots. This is one volume hydrogen gas, plus again the figure that I am going to draw the same. One volume, another one volume hydrogen gas. One volume hydrogen gas. It means 2 volume hydrogen gas plus 1 volume oxygen gas. It will take little bit time. One volume oxygen gas. Now we are getting the H2O liquid or H2O vapor, 2 volume. Now kindly try to understand that I am going to draw kindly watch what I am going to draw. It is important to draw over here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 2 volume H2O vapor. Now, what is important in this figure? You just consider 5 molecule equal to 1 volume. 5 molecule equal to 1 molecule. So if there are 10 molecule, it means there is 2 volume. This is the 5 molecule 1 volume. This is 5 molecule 1 volume. This is 5 molecule 1 volume. It proves that 5 molecule equal to 1 volume. Here are 10 molecule. Product is 10 molecule. If the product is 10 molecule, it means it is 2 volume. Difference is what? Here this is diatomic molecule. This is diatomic molecule. This is diatomic molecule. This is triatomic molecule or polyatomic molecule. Number of dot or number of atom are equal to all three these equal to this. One molecule containing 2 atoms. So here are 10 atoms. Here one molecule containing 2 atoms, so here are also 10 atoms. One molecule containing 2 atoms, here are also 10 atoms. Now one molecule containing 3 atoms and total 10 molecules, so 3 into 10 means 30 molecules. You can add that 10 atoms plus 10 atoms plus 10 atoms equal to 30 atoms. These are the 30 atoms. These are the 30 atoms. You can see that here is the molecule of hydrogen gas, here is the molecule or atoms of oxygen gas, and total when hydrogen molecule and oxygen molecule combines together forming polyatomic molecule, and it is the 10. One volume equal to 5 molecule equal to 5 molecule. It means 2 volume equal to 10 molecules. Here are 10 molecules. Means this volume is 2 volume. So 1 volume plus 1 volume plus volume equal to not 3 volume. Because you just count the total atom, 10 atom, 10 atom, 10 atom, total there must be 30 atom. So here are 30 atoms. It means all these added in one another. But difference is what? Here is diatomic molecule. Here is diatomic molecule. Here is also diatomic molecule. Here is triatomic or polyatomic molecule. So 5 molecule equal to 1 volume. It means 10 molecule equal to 2 volume. Difference is 1 volume having diatomic, here 2 volume having triatomic or polyatomic. So the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is what? So hydrogen is 2 atom, 2 molecule, and oxygen is 1 molecule, means ratio in water hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. Ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. Why this law was not accepted? This law was not accepted because when Gay-Lussac developed this law, concept of molecule was not clear. They were not believed that 2 atoms can form 1 molecule. So that concept was not clear. So this law was not accepted. But here it proves that 1 volume equal to 5 molecules. If there are 10 molecules, volume must be 2. 1 volume equal to 5 molecule, then 10 molecule, it means it is 2 volume. That is the explanation. So you don't simple make addition of 1 volume plus 1 volume plus 1 volume equal to 3 volume. Answer must be 3 volume, but it is not 3 volume answer. It is depend on the number of molecule. You just consider 5 molecule equal to 1 volume. I have written 5 molecule, 1 volume. Here also 5 volume, 5 molecule, 1 volume. Here also 5 volume, 5 molecule, 1 volume. It means, it proves that 5 molecule equal to 1 volume. So here are 10 molecules. It means it is 2 volume. Vapor of H2O will obtain 2 volume, and in vapor of H2O the ratio is hydrogen is 2 volume and oxygen is 1 volume. So ratio is 2:1. This is the ratio. 2:1 means 2/1 equal to 2 answer. So volume must be 2. 2 is to 1 means what? 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1 means what? It is 2. Means answer must be 2 volume. Difference is here that here is diatomic, here is diatomic, here is diatomic, here is triatomic molecule. Means it is polyatomic molecule. Number of atom total 30, here is also total 30. But molecule is 10. 5 molecule is 1 volume. It means there are the 10 molecules, so it must be 2 volume. Very easy, very simple, very clear. This way you can clear your concept. If you are making simple addition, you will be confused. So I continuously repeating that don't make simple addition. This is the explaining only ratio. Ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water. Ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water. Hydrogen is 2 volume and oxygen is 1 volume. So ratio is 2:1. If ratio is 2:1, it means answer must be 2 volume. Clear? Very easy, very simple. Now we are having again the new topic, Avogadro's law, that we are going to discuss. So what explains the Avogadro's law? Let's see. Here is the chapter clear, but we must have back so that you can proper understand. Okay, it is already. We get back. Let's see. Is it there or not? Let's discuss. Otherwise, we will discuss without textbook. Ratio. What explained that Avogadro? Let's clear everything first. Then we will again having the textbook. Don't worry, don't waste time. You just draw the figure that I have drawn on textbook. So try to draw it. Select board, GSCD, medium, English. Select standard 11 science. Select subject chemistry. Select chapter 1. Select category textbook and find. We have get back. What explained Avogadro? Let's see if we are not getting back the textbook. Avogadro is the scientist who gave the explanation is related to Gay-Lussac's law. Where Gay-Lussac became weak, Avogadro made clearance in the law that Gay-Lussac was right, because when Gay-Lussac introduced molecule, that time molecule was not clear. Next one try. Okay, yes, we have got back. Avogadro's law. Let's discuss. It will definitely come. Yes, we got back the chapter. Wait for few minutes, few seconds. It is uploading. Continuous talking with you so that you can concentrate over here. This is digital board. We need not to rub it. It will come back immediately if I have saved it. So some basic concept of chemistry. Let's see. Now we have discussed this was the figure you are given in your textbook, that 1 volume hydrogen, there are 5 molecules. 1 volume hydrogen, there are 5 molecules. 1 volume hydrogen, there are 5 molecules. I am explaining molecules, not atom. Total 10 atom, 5 molecule. Total 10 atom, 5 molecule. Total 10 atom, 5 molecule. And we are having total 30 atoms. 10 oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 10, 20 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you can see all hydrogens present, all oxygen present, but number of total molecule is 10. So 5 molecule equal to 1 volume. So total 10 molecule, it must be 2 volume. Now it is clear. Now we are having the law that Avogadro's law. This is the second law that we are going to discuss. What Avogadro explained, let's see. In 1811, the year is important, Avogadro proposed that equal volume of all gases, the word is important, equal volume of all gases, condition is what? At the same temperature and pressure. Equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules. This law is directly connected with the Gay-Lussac's law. We have equal number of molecules. 5 molecule equal to 1 volume. Then if we are having the 10 molecule, that must be 2 volume. Where Gay-Lussac got weak, Avogadro helped him to prove his law, Gay-Lussac's law. He took the base of Gay-Lussac and then he explained the same law, but it's his own way. So Avogadro made a distinction between atoms and molecule. Atoms and molecule was not discovered during the time of Gay-Lussac, 1803. But Avogadro took the base of atoms and molecule, which is quite understandable in present times. Now we can easily understand that hydrogen having 2 atoms and 2 atoms of hydrogen having 1 molecule, H plus H, H atom plus H atom means H2. H atom plus H atom means 2 atoms equal to 1 molecule H2. Gay-Lussac's time, atoms and molecules were not discovered and it was not considerable to accept the law. If we consider again the reaction hydrogen and oxygen to produce water, we see that 2 volumes of hydrogen combine with 1 volume of oxygen to give 2 volume of water. 2 volume of hydrogen, 1 volume of oxygen combines chemically together to give 2 volume of water vapor. The same law. Consider that 5 molecule equal to 1 volume. So if we are getting total 10 molecules, volume must be 2. But the difference is what? 5 molecule of hydrogen and 5 molecule of oxygen having diatomic molecule. But when the water is obtained, it is tri-molecule triatomic molecule because water containing H2O. So there are 2 H and 1 O. Total atom 3. So water is triatomic or polyatomic molecule. Not that figure in 1.9 that we have already drawn and we have already seen contains the equal number of molecules. In fact, Avogadro could explain the above result by considering the molecule to be polyatomic. Triatomic, it means it is polyatomic. If there are more than 2 atoms, molecule containing more than 2 atoms, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it is known as polyatomic molecule. So if hydrogen and oxygen were considered as a diatomic, same word that repeat, as recognized now, when the above results are easily understandable. However, Dalton and others believed at that time that atoms of the, let's see what is the next. Let's see what the Dalton and other explain. This is the figure. Same kind cannot combine, and molecules of oxygen or hydrogen containing 2 atoms did not exist. Dalton was believed that oxygen having not 2 atoms, hydrogen having not 2 atoms, and Gay-Lussac took the base that hydrogen is diatomic, oxygen is diatomic. So Dalton was the scientist who already or every time opposed the law of other scientists. Dalton did not accept it or did not accept this law. Avogadro tried to convince that Gay-Lussac was right. Avogadro's proposal was published in French journal The Physique. In spite of being correct, it did not gain much support. Gay-Lussac's law was correct. Avogadro's law was also correct, but it did not gain much support. After about 50 years, this law was accepted after 50 years. That oxygen is diatomic molecule, hydrogen is diatomic molecule. Gay-Lussac's time it was not accepted, but after 50 years it was accepted. In 1860, the first international conference in chemistry was held in Karlsruhe, Germany, to resolve the various ideas. At the meeting, Stanislao Cannizzaro presented a sketch of a course of chemical philosophy which emphasized on the importance of Avogadro's work. Avogadro did good work that was proved by scientist Cannizzaro, and Avogadro tried to explain the law of Gay-Lussac. Avogadro was in favor of Gay-Lussac that Gay-Lussac is correct. But Avogadro's law was not accepted by Dalton. But Cannizzaro proved that molecule can contain 2 atoms. So oxygen is 2 atom containing molecule, hydrogen is 2 atom containing molecule. When you count the atoms, it is 13. When you count the molecule, it is 10 molecule. If 5 molecule equal to 1 volume, then 10 molecule equal to 2 volume. That was clear. So we are going to discuss 2 laws only today. You just try to revise your textbook, revise my video lecture continuously so that you can proper understand. Thank you very much.